Hey guys, Nefly here, and today I was going to be doing a quick little code review of a project that we had to do for our programming class, because during the week I'm thinking of doing coding videos, and weekend would be more game related videos, things like that. But so basically what our project was, we had to figure out a way to parse these names and grades into arrays. So basically how I took this and did it was, I have 3 arrays total, 2 one-dimensional arrays, 1 two-dimensional array, and of course first names for the first array, last names for the second array, and then the grades, which basically would be for the students. And it goes through a while loop where, as long as the list has students' names, it'll go through and it'll add the first name to the first array, last name to the last array, and then it'll go through and get the grades for that line. And then after that, it'll increment count, which will be the next line, and then it'll go through and also increment the I for first names and last names. Now, the reason I don't have that in a for loop is because the way I set this up, it just seemed easier at the time, and I don't really feel like modifying it right now. Next, we had to also format the code so that it output in a list or organized style. So it's first name, tab or space, then last name, and then it'd go test score 1 through 5, and then it'd do the average of the students' 5 scores, and then it'd say the letter grade, and the letter grade's determined by whether it's between 190, 89, 99, and 80, 79, and so on and so forth. And then basically this is where it prints it into the organized output. And then the last thing we had to do is get the class average, which would just be, it takes the averages from the students, assigns them to a new thing, new double, and then divides it by 10. And then it runs it, and when you run it, you get this nice looking output. So first names here, last names here, test scores, the averages. And if anyone has any questions or comments about the code, feel free to put that in the comment section, and